welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Janet collection, Maverick Locs. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, before I get into the details of this hair, I just want to give a huge thank you to my friends over at Janet Collection for sending me this hair to try and review. So these are the Maverick Locs. Well, basically, this is what the lock looks like. It's pre-looped, and they're very like bohemian, kind of like looser, not so tightly wound. And these are 24 inches long, and this is what the ends of them look like. Now I've had, you know, the goddess locks that have the curly ends and things like that, but actually my boyfriend suggested that I like tie them up, and I actually like the way they look way better, like the bohemian style with the closed end. I really like that a lot. Like, I've had the goddess locks before and the curly end is cute and stuff, but I just, when I tried it on one, it just looks so good. So I have now like the little bulbs on mine at the ends. So basically what I did to do this, I had one that had come undone. Oh, here it is. So basically what I did though to change the ends is I just kind of wrapped it, because it's a little harder the way it's like two pieces here. Like this is a piece and this is a piece. So basically what I did was I just kind of looped the bottom around, and then I took this curly piece and wrapped it. So basically what you would do if you were doing faux locks, but you were like doing them like beginning to end, not using crochet or anything. So normally when I do faux locks, as I'm wrapping this, normally when I do faux locks, like beginning to end, like I wrap them and all that, it takes several hours. I think it takes me about 6 hours. And I usually do like jumbo ones. Basically what I did was I washed my hair, and then I put individual braids all through my head. I think I ended up with like 68 braids or something like that, or 60, something in the 60 range. And after I did all those sections, I just went through and crocheted them. And as I crocheted them, before I had even done that, I went through every pack except for one, which is the pack I wanted to save to show you guys. I went through all the packs and wrapped up the ends so they were easier to loop through. I should not have done that. The pre-looped hole is not equipped, I guess I should say, it's not equipped to handle this like big bulb to go through it. So if you're gonna tie them up like I did, let this very thin piece go through. But even so, some parts of the lock are very thick, so you kind of have to like pull it or try and loosen this up as much as you can. But basically just go through every single individual section and then apply these. So I want to say that took me like 2 hours maybe. I feel like it took 2 hours. I might be lying, but I feel like if you go ahead and do the sections first and then give yourself a little break. I know I took like an hour break, and I know the sections maybe took me like an hour and a half. The sections went right really quick. When your hair is clean, it's so much easier to part. Basically what I just did is I kind of just twisted it. I know you can like actually like kind of unravel the lock and wrap it back around, and I was doing that, but then I was just like, this is taking a long time, so I couldn't be bothered with it, so I just ended up twisting it. But there's something about the pattern of these locks where it looks okay with the twist. So this is what they look like on. I just got so into the scarf look. I forgot how cute these are. So this is what they look like. So you can see it's a twist, but I feel like something about this, it works. Yeah, so I've got about 60-ish of these in my head. They are pretty lightweight. Like, I feel like you do notice them, like they're there, but they're not like heavy. Like, I don't feel like they're like, you know, break your neck heavy. So that's nice, but they are really lightweight. I haven't felt like I've noticed them getting incredibly tangled or anything like that. But I'm gonna do my best to keep these in for a while. They're really, really cute, and I like them a lot. So within each pack, this is the package here, and this is what it looks like on the model. These are the Knowledge Tress Premium Edition Maverick Locs, 24 inches. I got them in the color 1B. In each pack, you get 10 individual locks, and I believe the locks are 100% handmade. Yeah, so each strand is 100% handmade. It comes in jet black, which is 1B, 2, 4, 27, 30, 613, so that comes in the platinum blonde color. I think that would be incredible. Burgundy, they're pre-looped, like I already said. That makes them very easy to install, especially if you're not super familiar with installing crochet hair. And then I do, of course, have some tutorials on how I do my individuals on my channel, so make sure you guys check those out. I'll leave them down below in the description box. You can also set these with hot water. Like if you want the ends to stay curly or you want to curl them up more, you just dip the ends in hot water. I like them, like 24 inches on me. Of course, this is them curled up though. Like this one's kind of coming undone, but this is what they look like curled up. But I like them. I think they're very, very pretty and natural looking, I would say. And they're lightweight and they're bouncy, and I don't feel like they get like incredibly tangled. Like I like them a lot. These are really cute. I'm gonna try and keep these in for a little while. But that's all I really have to say about this hair. Again, thanks to Janet Collection for sending me this hair to try. I will link this hair down below for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.